Good morning to everyone. In the last class, we learnt about the conversion reaction. In that, first method is ascending reaction, that is call it as a Killarney synthesis. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಲ್ಲನಿ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ಸೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಡೋಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಡೋ ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸೋಸ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಡೋಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಡೋಸ್. The product contains one carbon atom more than that in the reactant, and then here example is D-arabinose is converted into D-glucose and D-mannose. Here this is the D-arabinose aldopentose. This is treated with HCN. It gives a glacanonitrile and mannanonitrile. After that the acid hydrolysis is carried out. Okay, acid hydrolysis is carried out. If it gives a carboxylic acid, it means gluconic acid and mannonic acid. It is heated, it gives removal of water. It takes a glycosidic linkage in between the C1 and C4 carbon atom, and this will be reduced. It means reduction will be taking place. H2 molecule is added at first carbon atom and then fourth carbon atom. Okay, it gives a D-glucose and D-mannose. This is the aldoexose. Okay, next conversion method is, second one is descending order. Second one is descending order. This degradation is called as Holz degradation. WOHL'(S). Holz degradation. This descending order is called as also Holz degradation. Here conversion of aldose to lower aldose. Okay, in the last class I was explained you there will be conversion of aldopentose to aldoexose. It means higher number ge convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here they have a lesser number compared to first. It means reactant ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಆಲ್ಡೋಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ the aldose formed contains one carbon atom less than that of starting aldose. Okay, here you have to say this: the aldose, it means the reactant should contains one carbon atom. The product formed contains one carbon atom less than that of starting aldose. reactant ಗಿಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ D-glucose is converted to D-arabinose. It means the reverse example of ascending order. Okay, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ D-arabinose ಇಂದ D-glucose ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ Exose, this is 6 carbon atom and this is 5 carbon atom. Glucose has 6 carbon atom, arabinose has 5 carbon atom. Okay, next we move on to the reaction. CHO, COH, H, CH, OH, COH, COH, CH2OH, then H. Okay, this is the structure of D-glucose. Okay, then here this D-glucose is reacts with hydroxylamine. Okay, it means removal of water molecule, 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so when you have to see in the reactions of glucose, when glucose reacts with hydroxylamine, what it gives? It gives a oxime. Okay, so then CHNOH. Okay, then COH, H, CHOH, COH, H, COH, H, CH2OH. Okay, this is the oxime. It forms by reaction of glucose with hydroxylamine. Then it is reacted with acetic anhydride, CH3CO twice O. Okay, in the presence of zinc chloride. This is the acetic anhydride. Zinc chloride ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here removal of water molecule. Okay, next when the glucose reacts with acetic anhydride, it gives a pentaacetyl glucose or glucopentaacetate is formed. It means in the presence of OH group, the acetate group is substituted. ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH group ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಆ OH ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸಿಟೇಟು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ reacts with in the presence of zinc chloride, and also here removal of water molecule. Water molecule ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ this hydrogen atom and this OH. Okay, this will be the removal of water molecule. Okay, then here so CN is formed, then COACH. Okay, here you don't get any confusion. AC means acetate group ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CH3CO group. Okay, CH3CO group ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So then CHOAC, COAC you can write instead of COCH3, AC you can write H, COAC, H, CH2OAC. This is pentaacetyl glucose or glucopentaacetate, whatever it may be. Pentaacetyl glucose. Okay, this is formed when oxime is reacts with acetic anhydride. In the presence of zinc chloride, it removes the water molecule. Here this OH and OH. Okay, then this will be reacts with pentacetyl glucose is reacts with silver oxide in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. Okay, in the presence of ammonium hydroxide, it means hydrolysis will be taking place. Okay, here CN OH H C H OH C OH H C OH H CH2 OH. Okay, this is, it means this is the basic hydrolysis. NH4OH is the basic solution. Basic hydrolysis is taking place. So that's why in the place of acetate ion, okay, that is replaced by hydrogen. It means OH ion. OAC remove agi OH ion replace ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. And then here it is treated with HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide ಜೊತೆ react ಆದಾಗ it gets a CHO CHOH COH COH CH2OH H. Okay, here this will react with hydrogen cyanide. Okay, so then water molecule is removed. Water molecule is removed. So then it forms a D-arabinose. Okay, here you have to see this CN group is always removed. So then in this carbon atom, okay, in this carbon atom, this will H2O and another hydrogen atom. You have to see there, see here hydrogen atom idral ondirutte matte oxygen atom remove agutte. So then it forms a CHO. Then this will, second carbon atom is behaves as first carbon atom, and then third will be second, like here. Okay, so then how many carbon atom is present? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so in the reactant how many carbon atom is present? 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atom irutte. So then reactant contains 6 carbon atom, product contains 5 carbon atom. So it is lesser of 1 carbon atom to that of starting material. Okay, this is all about the conversion of aldose to lower aldose. Okay, it means the aldose formed contains 1 carbon atom less than that of starting aldose. This is D-glucose oxime to pentacetyl glucose, and then ammonium hydroxide ಜೊತೆ react ಆಗಿ D-arabinose form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next third one is conversion of aldose to ketose. Okay, in the last two conversion, higher to lower and lower to higher should be we learnt. Okay, but here conversion of aldose to ketose. Okay, example is antandra conversion of CHO to C double bond O. Okay, then Example is conversion of glucose. Conversion of glucose to fructose. Example is conversion of glucose to fructose. Here D-glucose is treated with excess of D-glucose is treated with excess of phenyl hydrazine, okay, to form osazone, full stop. This is on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis gave ozone, not a ozone, ozone, okay. This is on reduction. This is on reduction to give fructose, okay. This is the conversion of glucose to fructose. Here D-glucose is treated with excess of phenyl hydrazine. We know that it gives a ozone. This is on hydrolysis to give ozone alla ozone, okay. This is on reduction to give a fructose, okay. Next we will move on to the reaction. First you have to write a glucose CHO COH H CHOH COH H COH H CH2 OH, okay. This is the D-glucose. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರುಕ್ಟೋಸ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ phenyl hydrazine C6H5NH2, okay. Here CH double bond N NH C6H5. Here you have to see this. In the glucose there will be only on the CHO carbon atom is reacts with phenyl hydrazine, but here excess of phenyl hydrazine is using, so that's why second carbon atom is also reacts with phenyl hydrazine, okay. C6H5. Here don't write H, you have to write here H, okay, because hydrogen has only one single atom, single bond is formed. Then CH OH COH H COH H CH2 OH, okay. Here ozone is formed, and then this molecule is hydrolysis with HCl, okay. HCl in the presence of water, it means acid hydrolysis. So then CH double bond O, then C double bond O, then CH OH, C OH H, C OH H, then CH2 OH. Okay, this is the ozone, not a ozone, this is the ozone, because 2 double bond O, C double bond O group is produced. Then ozone is on reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen molecule in the presence of zinc or acetic acid. Reduction ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ H2 molecule add ಆಗುತ್ತೆ to the first carbon atom. Okay, and then the molecule is CH2 OH, C double bond O, C H OH, C OH H, C OH H, CH2 OH. So then this is the D fructose. Okay, this is all about the aldose to ketose conversion. Okay, aldehyde group in the keto group agi convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Example is conversion of glucose to fructose. D-glucose is treated with excess of phenyl hydrazine, it gives a ozone, which on hydrolysis it gives a ozone. After reduction it gives a D-fructose. This is the descending order holds degradation. This is conversion of aldose to lower aldose. The aldose formed contains one carbon atom less than that of starting aldose. Okay, then example is D-glucose is converted to D-arabinose ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 carbon atom ಇಂದ 5 carbon atom ಗೆ reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here D-glucose which on reacts with hydroxyl amine in the removal of water molecule, it gives a oxime. This oxime reacts with acetic anhydride in the presence of zinc chloride. Okay, CN group is formed and OAC. OAC means OCH3 group. Okay, then penta-acetyl glucose is formed. This penta-acetyl glucose is reacts with silver oxide in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. This is basic solution, basic hydrolysis. In the place of OAC, OH is replaced. Then this will be reacts with HCN, it gives a arabinose. Okay, then third one is conversion of aldose to ketose. Conversion of glucose to fructose. D-glucose is treated with excess of phenyl hydrazine, this gives a ozone. After that the HCl acid hydrolysis is taking place, it gives a ozone. This ozone is reduction in the presence of zinc and acetic acid. H2 molecule is added to first carbon atom, so it gives a D-fructose.